You've been silent. You've stayed calm. You've let them believe that they could walk all over you, that they could provoke you, that they could get a reaction. They wanted you to lose control, to fight back, to show weakness. But you stayed silent, watching, observing, waiting. They thought your silence was a sign of weakness. But what they didn't understand was that your silence was your greatest power. And now, as you stand in this silence, they're starting to crumble. They're unraveling. They're revealing who they really are. And it's all because of one simple truth. Stay silent and watch them crumble. They've thrown their insults at you, their manipulations, their games. They tried to provoke you into a reaction, to make you snap, to make you lose control. But you didn't. You held your ground. You knew something they didn't understand. Your strength comes from within. You don't need to yell. You don't need to scream. You don't need to argue. All you need to do is stay silent. And in that silence, you've built something stronger than any words, stronger than any reaction. You've built power. And now, they can't handle it. They can't handle your strength. They can't handle your calmness in the face of everything they've thrown at you. And that's what's breaking them down. They don't know what to do when you don't react. They're used to controlling others, used to seeing their words land and tear people apart. But when they try to tear you down, they're met with nothing. You don't give them your energy. You don't let their negativity infect you. And in doing that, you've exposed them for what they truly are: weak. The more you remain unshaken, the more they begin to unravel. They thought they had the power. They thought they could control you. But you're showing them something they can't grasp. You're showing them that you can't be controlled. And now, as they lose their grip, they're the ones who are breaking. They're the ones who are crumbling. Because all of their tricks, all of their manipulation, all of their desperate attempts to provoke you, none of it works.